Well, I was 17 when I joined the Navy. I really didn't know what I wanted to do when I graduated, so that was a great way to, get money to pay for college. I was in for almost 10 years. 2 of it was training, 5 of it I worked on weapons systems on a destroyer, and then my last 3 years I did military police right here in Texas, down by Corpus Christi. When I was doing law enforcement in the Navy, that's when I saw how a simple thing can really impact somebody's life. My time in the military, the way it really helps me in the practice of law is discipline is part of it. You stay focused, you have your mission you're trying to accomplish. For each client, our mission is to get the best outcome we can for that client. It involves really digging down to the case and just having the discipline to stay with it and leaving no stone unturned.
About 7 o'clock, went out to hang out with coworkers at one of the bars off of Breaker Lane. I was pretty tipsy, so I said, I'm gonna sit in the car and sleep it off. Someone thought that I was a problem or something, and apparently they knocked on the glass, called the police to do a wellness check. When they got there, I was in the ambulance. I was so confused because they're like, you're gonna be arrested for DUI. They took me to jail for DUI, and my wife started doing research immediately. Biggest fear was what it would do to my career. When we first met, Stephen Bowling and David, the review said he's a beast. He's gonna tell you what your choices are, what your options are, and then he's gonna fight for you. Going into it after our first conversation, I was like, we're going with him. It's who you need to call, it's who you need to talk to. They're gonna be upfront with you.
By hiring attorneys that were former police officers, it allows us to get another perspective. We obviously know the legal side, but unless you've been in the shoes of a police officer, you don't know what it's like there at night while you're investigating a person for, let's say, DWI or another crime. That mindset and knowing what's going through their mind as they're doing it helps us in our position here while defending somebody.
My philosophy on criminal defense is that the prosecutors, the judges, the clerks, they are the gatekeepers to your client's fate. In order to effectuate the best possible outcome, real relationships need to be fostered with those people or those systems. That is what I endeavor to do every day. Intimidation is a feeling when you're walking into an unknown situation, which is why it's so important to teach our clients about what is transpiring. That brings our clients a sense of calmness.
Here at Stephen T. Bowling, DWI Criminal Defense Attorneys, what makes us unique is that we have former police officers that are attorneys that we can bring in to analyze the cases and really look at them, try to get the best outcome we can for our clients. So our promise to our clients is we will do everything we can within our power as defense attorneys to get you the best outcome in your case.